Hey guys, it's Taylor. Today we're going to talk about all of the basics for how to curl your halo at home. So first things first, we get asked a lot, where do I put it? What's the easiest way for me to do this? So we usually recommend using your towel bar or anything you hang your towels on in your bathroom. Now, if you're hanging the hanger directly on your rack at home, you may have a little bit of movement and you will have to kind of hold your hanger. Or we recommend grabbing some of these clamps at the hardware store. We can leave a link for you below. We'll just give you a little more support so that there's not movement and you can curl it much faster and easier. So when you receive your halo, to kind of mimic the halo curls that we put in it for you, you're going to want to curl all the hair away from your face, which when the halo is on the hanger, that means all the hair is being directed towards the middle. You can start on the outside or in the center, it doesn't really matter, but when you take your section to curl, you're going to want to go all the way down in a vertical section on the weft. So I'm taking this whole section all the way down, you can see all the hair on the whole weft. You're going to pull it out and start at the top of the hair and curl down. So you can see I'm using both of my hands to turn the iron as I'm going down. That's because you want most of the curl to be in the center of the hair. That's where your hair is going to blend the easiest. So this center point right here is where you're going to shift and have the other side of the curls going towards the middle. So like I said, you can start on the outside or the middle, whichever you prefer. I'd say these are about 1-inch size sections, so you'll take all the way across and curl down. It's really important that as you're curling, you're going to want to keep either a finger or a thumb on this clamp so that as you're turning, you can slightly loosen and click that iron. That way you're not dragging the hot iron through the hair, just keeps it a little bit softer to keep your hair more healthy. One thing that's really nice about extension hair is that it holds a curl really well. So when you are styling this for the first time and getting those fresh curls in there after a washed halo, then it will last you and you'll only have to just touch up when you put it on, which is really easy. But I always recommend, if this is a freshly washed halo and you need to go in and put those curls from the beginning, that you do it on the hanger. So as I've curled this one side here, you can see all of the curls are going towards the middle. So now I'm going to start on this other side and go towards the middle as well, because when that halo sits on your head, then all those curls will go away from your face. One thing that is really important to note when you're curling your halo after a fresh wash is we always recommend that you curl on a blow-dried halo. It's gonna make the hair a lot smoother, tangle less, it's gonna make the curls last better because there's not any moisture in there. So if you haven't already, make sure you watch our how to blow dry your halo video as well. Okay, so after you've curled both sides of the halo going towards the center, I always recommend that you go in again and take some sections on the top layer of the weft just to add a little more movement in those layers. That will help you with blending and it will help all your curls not stick together so much. So I'm just going probably the first couple wefts on the top right here, and you can do as much of this or as little as you want. It really is just, like I said, giving a little bit of movement. So here is the finished look of the curled halo. So you can see that because we started that curling iron up at the top here, you're getting that curl all the way through the halo, and curling those extra pieces on that top weft gives this a little bit more movement and extra volume. If you have any more questions on how to curl your halo, be sure to let us know and make sure you check out all of our other care videos as well.